I've been here since 2013, and that was the year where we started recruiting the apprentices. The first batch was started in this year of 2013. And this is dual system. Dual means that the training is taking place into two parts, here, VETA and Kampan. But the first is Kampan and VETA. Kampan and VETA. So we have got 3 blocks per year. The first block is 7 weeks in VETA and 12 weeks in Kampan. The second block is 7 weeks in VETA and 10 weeks in Kampan. And the third block is 6 weeks in VETA and 10 weeks in Kampan. So you can see there that the apprentices are staying or are spending much time in Kampan than in VETA, which means that they are having more practical than theory. And this helps them that after training, it's easier for them to be employed or to employ themselves. And this is what is happening, and this is my experience since I have started. 90% of our apprentices finished here training. They have remained or they have kept in their companies at the full employed. I am very proud working in this program, and in my experience since I started, something which I'm very proud with is that our apprentices have all employed. So sometimes I can meet my apprentices is manager, others are manager now, others are technicians, and we are having report, especially from Diamond Motor. They have competition of the workers in the company each month. And our students who are finished here are the best workers since they have started. So this is the thing I'm proud of.